Hear ye, hear ye! It's another Roof Right Minute!
Look up at your roof. Are there any curling shingles, missing shingles, maybe streaks and stains on your shingles? What about water stains inside on your ceiling? You may not need a roof replaced now, but these are all signs to get your roof inspected by a knowledgeable roofing professional. Many deficiencies on your roof can't be seen from the ground, and most can't be identified by just anyone. By conducting a thorough roof inspection, a roofing professional can identify problems with the roof, including flashing and other accessories, before they become a costly catastrophe. If nothing else, you get peace of mind knowing your roof is in good working condition and will continue to protect you and your family. Contact us here at Roof Right to help with not only your roofing needs, but any other home exterior needs you may have.